Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The market is expected to be influenced by weak global cues, investor caution ahead of the crucial US Fed Reserve interest rate decision, and rising geopolitical tensions that have pushed Brent crude prices to a 5-month high of $78 per barrel. Concerns are growing that escalating conflict between Israel and Iran could prompt more direct US involvement, adding to market uncertainty. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 18th June 2025, Nifty index opened positive but sharply fell in the initial hour of the day, after which it consolidated in a lackluster manner. It managed to hold above 24,800 but failed to cross the psychological 25k marks. It managed to close above 24,850 with losses of around 90 points, but it has to now decisively cross 25,000 for the next leg of rally to commence. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has started to make higher highs, higher lows from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 3% to 14.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased slightly below 1 to 0.95. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,250 zones, while immediate range is in between 24,700 to 25,100. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,616 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 7,797 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio increased to 21%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests now Nifty has to hold above 24,800 for the next up move towards the psychological 25k marks and 25,250 levels, while supports can be seen at 24,600. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,750 for a bounce towards 56,000, while a hold below the same could see some weakness towards 55,555 mark. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in AB Capital, PB Fintech, Tech M, Infosys, Coforge and LTIM, while weakness could be seen in Sona Comms, Lupin, Aurobindo Pharma, Sun Pharma and Alchem. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.